You guys have saw the process, the styling, all of that kind of stuff. This is actually results from 2 days after that. I did not show you the results immediately afterwards, but you guys can already see what it looks like. Looks like a little hair popping. I didn't do anything special, just went to bed and slept on the pillow, poofed out, just pick it out like this. That's it. And on day 3, I normally do add some of the oil just to the scalp and hair and just fluff it out and then go. So if you like this, I just want to let you know this is like 48 hours afterwards. It ended up raining the next day, all this other kind of stuff, so I couldn't really record the next day after it air dried, which it does take a really long time to air dry for my hair, just because it's so thick and dense. So but for most people it can probably air dry very quickly. Sometimes I do sit up under the dryer and I have cool air. But for this, especially with my new fresh color, I'm trying not to use any heat really at all at this point, unless it's steam, hot oil treatments, that kind of thing. So this is the result. I got a little makeup on, just a smidget. I think this answers everything. And yes, my hair is actually cut to make sure that I have a certain, I guess you would call it a taper cut. It's really just a cut that goes with my hair growth and everything. So yeah guys, this is it. I love it. So let me know what you think about the hair. What do you think about the color, all of this new look that's going on, all that. Hopefully you get to try the line. Let me know what you think. And yeah, this is it. This is all that I do. I'm not lying. I don't do nothing for days. So that's it. It's Alex, your fit hair expert, your run influencer, your girl who loves a little spot of color, some kale and cupcakes. So until next time, you keep killing it.